Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer inspired makeup look. I'm going to be doing a green summer inspired makeup look. I can't wait. I'm so excited. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. But make sure you guys hit the red subscribe button down below as well as the notifications bell. That way you are notified every single time that I upload here on YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a green inspired makeup look. So of course there's going to be some greens in there, and I'm definitely going to be including some products so that you do not have to wear so much makeup on your face for the summer. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so this is basically the finished look. Tell me what you guys think in the comments section. Now, I know I'm not perfect at doing doubled eyeliner, especially on the top here, but I think it looks really cute. Like, I'm looking at myself in my mirror and I think it looks really good. It does look thick up here, but honestly, my eyes are like kind of hooded in this area, so it's kind of hard to tell. And plus I'm wearing long lashes, so it kind of like hides it a little bit. But yeah, anyways, that is pretty much the makeup look. This is just a quick and easy summer makeup look that you can easily do. And of course, I had to bring the nature vibes with the green and the green liner. Now, like I said, this was actually my first time doing double liner, and for the first time, I think it looks pretty good. I actually like it. What you guys think about it? It's nice. It just gives a little pop of green to the eyes, and of course on the waterline with that eyeshadow that I use, I think it went great. Since the green liner is dark, it does kind of like coordinate a little bit, and then in the middle is like a little bit shimmery green, which is what I love. And of course I had to keep the lips nice and neutral because, you know, I want the eyes to be the main attention. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Let me know if you guys like makeup looks like this. If you guys want to see more, please make sure you comment down below what you want to see next here on my channel. And if you do want to see how I did my hair in this cute summery hairstyle, then make sure you guys check out my last video, which includes the tutorial of this hairstyle. Other than that, guys, please make sure you guys subscribe on your way out if you have not already, and make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias at Kayla's Curls. I hope you enjoyed watching me do this makeup look because I love it. I'm definitely about to go and do a little photo shoot, and you guys will probably see it before this video comes up, but hey, content creator brain. You do a look, you do a style, and you just want everybody to see it. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm rambling. Bye guys.